We'll guide you through how to choose between Calendly and Acuity for scheduling your appointments efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Calendly's website and start by checking out their free plan, which offers basic scheduling features like event types and availability settings. Calendly is known for its simple interface and seamless integration with Google Calendar and Outlook, which makes it a great option if you need straightforward scheduling without too many bells and whistles. On the other hand, if you head over to Acuity Scheduling, you'll notice it offers a more robust set of features, including customizable intake forms and payment processing, which can be vital if you run a business that requires collecting detailed client information upfront. Acuity also integrates with platforms like Zoom and Squarespace, which is perfect if you need to manage appointments alongside other business operations. Think about how important features like team scheduling or custom branding are to you, as Calendly offers team and branding features, but only on their paid plans. Acuity, however, includes these options at various levels of their subscriptions, giving you more flexibility if you're willing to invest a bit more. Also consider your budget, as Calendly's plans start at a lower price point, but Acuity's advanced features might justify its higher cost if they align with your needs. Both platforms offer trial periods, so it's worth signing up for both to see which one feels more intuitive and suits your workflow better. Ultimately, the choice between Calendly and Acuity depends on your specific scheduling needs, budget, and the level of customization you require. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.